Hello Odoo, I hope you all are doing great. So in this video we will see customer credit management. So there is a default functionality in Odoo to give the error message, something like warning message on creating the sales order or invoicing when some specific credit limit exists that value, right? So for that we need to configure the credit limit. So we will go to invoicing, configuration, settings, and here we need to check this checkbox, sales credit limit. You can see trigger alert when creating invoicing and sales order for partners with total receivable amount exist a limit. So we given 1000, right? And we save. And if we go to context, let's say we open this context, there is no any cells. So let's say if I create this and if I select this and 200, and if I save, confirm, and if I create new, right? So this is let's say, right, this is total 575. And if again, if I, and let's say this is, so you can see credit limit is 1000 and total due is this total, right? So this will visible here, this kind of message, right? You can see here, right? This is total due. So in this way we can manage sales credit limit. So whenever you creating sales order or invoicing, so it will remind you what's the credit limit, what the amount due. So you can, based on that, you can manage the sales order, right? So I hope this video will helpful to you.